Welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to speak about the intersection of sets form 4 and the union of sets form 4. These relationships between two sets of number or more sets help us to make operations more easy with set of numbers. And more specific, we have first the union of two sets of numbers A and B. Mathematically, we will write A union of A and B equals with X, a number from the sets A, or, and I'm going to write or with red, or a number of X from set B. Let's take an example. We have A equals with 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. And also B equals with 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The union of sets A and B equals with, I'm going to take all these numbers from set A and set B only once. And I have 1, 2, 2, I see it's also in the set A, also in the set B. I will take it once. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, in order to understand the intersection of sets, you may know that mathematically, I'm going to note intersection of A with B equals with X, a number. X, it's a number from A. And this time, X, it's a number from B. Let's take an example in order to understand. I'm going to use the same sets A and B, only that this time I'm going to make A intersection of A and B equals with 2, 6, and 7. Why? Because 2, 6, and 7, it's also in the sets A and also in the sets B. 2 is in the A, 2 is in the B. 6 is in the A, 6 is in the B. And 7 also. So basically, when I speak about the intersection of two sets, I'm going to take in consideration only the common numbers. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the video corner if you understand until here, because now we are going to take another example, more complex this time, and we have A equals with 0, 7, 4, 1, 5, and 2. B equals with 3, 4, 1, 5. And also C equals with 8, 9, 10, and 0. We have calculate union between A, B, and C. Also, we have to calculate intersection between A, B, and also C. We have to calculate the intersection between union of A and B intersected with C. Also, we have to calculate intersection between A with the union of B and C. Also, we have to calculate intersection between A and B reunited with C. Furthermore, I'm going to calculate also A reunited with intersection of B and C equals with. First, I know that reunion is all the elements once, taken once, and I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intersection, in this case, I have the common elements of those three sets of numbers. And in this case, the intersection of those three sets is the empty set. Now, I'm going to make union between A and B, which is the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, intersected with C, the set of C, 8, 9, 10, and 0, equals with furthermore, the common element from these two sets is 0. Furthermore, I have A 0, 7, 4, 1, 5, 2 intersected with union between B and C, which is the set of 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. This one equals with only the common elements. I will take this time 0, 1, 4, and 5. The intersection between A and B are the common elements, which is 4 and 1 reunited with 8, 9, 10, 0. Now, the union between these two sets is 0, 1, 4, 8, 9, and 10. Furthermore, the last example, I have union between A 0, 7, 4, 1, 5, 2 and the common elements between B and C sets is the empty set, which is furthermore equal with 0, 7, 4, 1, 5, and 2. And that's it for today. Hope you understood these two types of operations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the video corner and come back tomorrow for another practice math problems algebra. Thank you.